Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson AM08. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson AM08 fan won't turn on, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur for several reasons, such as a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unresolved, you may find yourself without a cooling solution, especially during warmer months, which can be quite uncomfortable. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a multimeter, some thermal paste, and a replacement power supply unit if necessary. First, ensure the fan is unplugged before you start. Begin by using your screwdriver to carefully remove the base of the Dyson AM08. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or the casing. Once the base is off, you will see the internal components. The most likely culprit for your fan not turning on is the power supply. Look for the power supply unit, which is usually located near the bottom of the fan assembly. To extract it, gently disconnect the cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as this could damage surrounding components. You may encounter screws securing the power supply in place. Use the right-sized screwdriver and apply a steady force to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the power supply out of its housing. If you have a multimeter, now is a good time to test the old power supply to see if it is indeed the issue. If it shows no signs of life, it's time to replace it with the new one. Before installing the new power supply, apply a small amount of thermal paste to ensure optimal performance. Then, place the new power supply back into its housing, secure it with screws, and reconnect the cables exactly as they were. Make sure everything fits snugly and that no wires are pinched. After that, reassemble the base of the Dyson AM08, ensuring all clips are secured and nothing is loose. Finally, plug the fan back in and test it to see if it powers on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your fan to avoid dust buildup, which can affect its performance. Additionally, avoid exposing the fan to excessive moisture, as this can lead to electrical failures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.